In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from Wise to Wise. This is a straightforward process, but it's essential to follow each step carefully to ensure a smooth and successful transaction. Whether you're sending money to friends, family, or colleagues, Wise offers an efficient, cost-effective way to transfer funds internationally with ease. Let's begin by logging into your Wise account. To do this, open your web browser or app and enter your username and password. If you've never used Wise before, you'll need to sign up for an account. Simply follow the prompts, entering all the required information, and soon you'll be ready to start sending money. Make sure the details you provide are accurate and complete, as they'll be crucial for your transactions. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. This should display an overview of your account, including your balance and recent transactions. Look for the Send Money option and click on it. This will take you to a new screen dedicated to initiating transfers. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this is where you'll manage all your transfers. The next step is to enter the amount you want to send. You'll notice that Wise allows you to specify the currency in which you're sending and receiving funds. This is particularly helpful if you're transferring money to someone in another country. After entering the amount, keep an eye on the exchange rate and fees noted below. It updates in real time and can affect the final amount received on the other end. Now, you'll need to add the recipient's information. If you've sent money to this person before, their details might already be stored in your account to make this step easier. If not, you'll need the recipient's full name and their email associated with their Wise account. Double-check these details for accuracy, as even a small error could delay your transfer. Once you've confirmed the recipient's details, you'll be prompted to choose how you'd like to pay for the transfer. Wise provides several options, including using a bank account, credit, or debit card. Each choice varies in terms of fees and processing time, so make sure to pick the one that best suits your needs. After selecting your payment method, you'll see a final review of your transfer. Take a moment to go over all the details. Ensure that the amount, recipient information, and payment method are correct. Once you're confident everything is accurate, click Confirm, and the money will be on its way. After confirming, you'll receive a tracking link via email. This allows you to monitor the status of your transfer until it reaches the recipient. Keeping track of this can provide peace of mind, knowing exactly where your money is at each stage. By following these steps, your transfer should proceed smoothly. Wise aims to make international transfers as swift and affordable as possible, ensuring both you and your recipient have a hassle-free experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has made your Wise to Wise transfers a breeze.